Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WAF rules using Cloudflare with your VPS origin. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the domain for which you want to install the WAF rules. Now, click on Web Application Firewall from the drop-down options. You will see a list of available WAF rules. Choose the security level that suits your needs. Scroll down to find the pre-configured WAF rules. Select the rules you want to enable for your site. For more specialized protection, consider adding custom rules. Click on the Manage Firewall Rules button. To create a new rule, click Create a Firewall Rule. Give your rule a descriptive name. Now, set the criteria for the rule based on your needs. You can define conditions using field and operator. Next, choose the action that the firewall should take when the rule is triggered. Common actions include blocking, allowing, or challenging requests. Make sure to review your rule settings for accuracy. Click Deploy the rule to activate it. Once the rule is live, monitor its performance through the dashboard. If necessary, refine your rules based on the data gathered. Check for any false positives by reviewing your website traffic. Adjust rule settings if needed to ensure user experience remains smooth. Repeat the process for any additional rules you wish to configure. With the rules in place, review your site's security regularly for further improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.